Well, last night I was busy, so I made one of those chicken patties, and I made some rice with spaghetti sauce and, you know, some corn. And so what I did, this is what I do. I throw it in a pan, a pie pan, and we eat it the next day, or we just have like our own TV dinners. And this little barbecue sauce, this is the good stuff. I try to stockpile barbecue sauce. So, okay, I want to have a little chai tea. And with chai tea, I need cookies. So can you, all right, and you know, for now, my silver teapot has recovered, thank heavens. That super glue works good. I can't believe this thing is recovered. I mean, I really wrecked it. For this kind of tea, I just like milk and sugar. It's supposed to be 1/4 cup milk. And remember my cute cat? I destroyed it. Now all I have is the little teapot, unfortunately. So here is one of my thumbprint cookies, and I have a different recipe now. Well, let me taste one. That's good. So what I like about it, it made 14 cookies. That's a half a batch of huge cookies. And cookies is one of those things, if you make, is way cheaper. So okay, now tonight I'm having, and last night, you know, when I made that easy dinner, I go, ooh, that's a way to go. I bought these turkey burgers for $1, and I'm just going to fry them in a little oil, and then I'm going to pour the spaghetti sauce that I bought for $1. And then I bought this spaghetti for $1 at Dollar Tree, and I bought this salad mix, and I just looked for the one with a long expiration date, and it was almost over 2 weeks. So I go, that should be pretty fresh. And I had bought these salad toppings, so we're gonna try those. And so after this, I have a birthday coming up soon, so I'm making my birthday cake, and I bought this lemon cake for $1. And this year I want a cheap birthday party. I don't want to pay a lot, so I'm gonna make a dream cake, a lemon dream cake. And I said to my son, what can I make? What kind of cheap birthday dinner can I make? And I thought, just make enchiladas. That's perfect for a cheap party. Okay, now for you guys, if you're into collectibles, the latest thing I'm collecting, and you are going to crack up. Magic stuff. Magic cards. Magic stuff. And so this is the latest on the collectibles. And this is a brand new magic kit. And when I'm going to sell it, I am not sure. So this is the latest thing on the collectibles, is magic stuff. And so, God bless you all.